Hello guys, in this video is just about how I love fireworks so much, and I'm asking if anybody would like to donate any of them to me, and comment down below if you do, and if you do, then I'll have a chat with you down below in the comments, and thank you, and I want some big fireworks for the next 4th of July, and just to keep on going, so I just want to make a quick little video on how if anybody has any fireworks to donate, so thank you.